Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will talk about the trendiest colors of 2025 and how women over 60 can use these colors in a stylish and elegant way. The power of colors cannot be underestimated. The right colors can make our skin look healthier and brighter, and make us feel modern and stylish no matter our age. Which colors can you wear fearlessly at 60 and always be stylish? In today's video, the trendiest colors of 2025. Which 10 shades of these colors are used and how? Combination suggestions and style tips will be shared. If you are tired of classic colors and want to live a timeless but modern style, don't forget to watch the video until the end. Powder pink, timeless and elegant. Powder pink makes the skin look soft. It harmonizes wonderfully with gray, white, cream, and gold tones. An ideal, feminine, and different color for daily elegance. Office and daily elegance. Powder pink silk blouse plus white cigarette pants plus nude heels plus pearl earrings plus spin gold. While the white pants emphasize the soft tone of pink, gold jewelry makes the combination look rich. Perfect for everyday elegance. Invitation and dinner. Powder pink mini dress plus beige trench coat plus nude ballerinas plus elegant handbag plus pearl earrings equals sophisticated and effortless elegance. The classic air of the trench coat combines with the femininity of powder pink, reflecting the timeless style of French women. Emerald green, powerful and noble. Emerald green creates a bright and energetic effect on all skin tones. It matches perfectly with dark and neutral tones. Office combination. Emerald green blazer plus white silk shirt plus black cigarette pants plus nude heels plus gold detailed watch equals a strong, professional, and stylish style. The contrast of emerald green and black creates a changing and luxurious atmosphere, while the white shirt balances the combination. Emerald green sweater plus beige wide-leg trousers plus nude ballerinas plus green detailed shoulder bag plus gold hoop earrings equals a comfortable but modern combination. Soft textured sweaters are the perfect choice for a comfortable and stylish look in winter and spring. Royal blue, magnificent and powerful. A noble and ostentatious color, makes the skin look brighter and more energetic. Perfectly matches with black, white, gray, and nude tones. Royal blue shirt plus white cigarette pants plus nude stilettos plus pearl detailed earrings plus minimalist bag equals a simple yet powerful style. The liveliness of royal blue is balanced with the simplicity of white, creating a modern and elegant atmosphere. Royal blue midi dress plus beige trench coat plus chic ballerinas plus gold chain shoulder bag equals a stylish and different combination. Transform your beige and blue contrast into a modern, powerful, and timeless style. Beige, elegant, and luxurious. So why is it an old chic choice? Since it is a natural and warm tone, it makes the skin look healthier and more vibrant. Its light and dark ratios adapt to different colors. It can be easily combined with different pieces and adds a luxurious air. Beige cashmere sweater plus cream cigarette pants plus nude ballerinas plus pearl earrings equals a simple but impressive combination. The soft texture of cashmere and light tones can be used more energetically and dynamically than you can give. Beige trench coat plus white shirt plus dark shawl plus brown loafers equals a simple and different autumn combination. While the beige trench coat and white shirt provide a classic look, the dark shawl combination adds a modern air. You can create a warm and luxurious atmosphere by completing beige tones with gold jewelry and brown leather accessories. If you don't want to look too pale, you can create contrast by mixing dark color details into your combinations. Cream. Soft and timeless. Since it is a warmer tone than white, the skin is healthier and shows symptoms. It provides a soft look, especially in perfect harmony with pastel tones. It creates a feminine and romantic atmosphere. Cream cashmere coat plus gray turtleneck sweater plus navy blue cigarette pants plus nude high heels equals a stylish and different winter combination. While cream and gray sleep create a classy and elegant atmosphere, navy blue pants add contrast to the combination. Cream silk blouse plus beige midi skirt plus nude ballerinas plus elegant pearl jewelry equals a feminine and romantic style. The emergence of silk fabric will make things more beautiful and youthful. You can increase your elegance by combining your cream color combinations with brown or navy blue accessories. gray, modern, and timeless. It is not as harsh as black, but at the same time, it creates a noble and classy atmosphere. It offers a dazzling elegance when combined with white and beige tones. Since it has cold undertones, it can be worn easily in every season.
Gray blazer plus white blouse, plus black cigarette pants, plus nude stiletto, equals a simple but strong look. Gray blazer creates a classic atmosphere, while nude shoes soften the combination. Gray oversized sweater plus navy blue fabric pants, plus beige loafers equals gray sweaters create both a comfortable and different look. So they are ideal for daily elegance. You can add a modern air to your gray combinations by completing them with silver jewelry and white accessories. White, clean, and timeless. It is a bright and youthful color. It matches perfectly with black, navy blue, and pastel tones. It offers a safe and stylish choice, as it is suitable for every environment. White midi dress plus nude heels plus pearl earrings equals the most beautiful form of nobility and elegance. A white dress will be younger and fresher than you can take your size. This combination is the perfect choice for dinner. White silk shirt plus navy blue cigarette pants plus brown belt plus nude ballerinas equals a minimal but effective style. A white silk shirt always offers elegance and grace. You can create a luxurious atmosphere by completing your white combination with gold jewelry and accessories. Here are timeless and different colors for women over 60. So, which is your favorite color? The warm touch of beige and brown, the timeless nobility of navy blue and white, or the soft and elegant effect of the pastel environment? Write in the comments. Let's talk together. Remember, colors affect not only your style, but also your mood and energy. With the right color combinations, you can always look stylish, energetic, and young. Subscribe to the channel for more fashion tips, style guides, and combination suggestions. Don't forget to turn on the summary bell so you don't miss new videos. You deserve elegance at every age.